What you see now. This is the Creation Nebula from the Webb Telescope. More colorful than the Hubble telescope. More details. However, these three nebula masterpieces 6,500 light years away. It doesn't really exist anymore because astronomers have observed there's a superstar about to explode near him. Given the 6,500 year time difference, the current creator likely to have been the shock wave after a supernova destroyed, but that doesn't stop him from being in his current position, observed by humans. One of the most spectacular views of the universe. From the data point of view, the Book of Creation consists of three towering interstellar column of gas and dust. The tallest one stands tall, up to about 5 light years. It's a light year wide. These massive columnar structures stretching into the sky against the backdrop of an infinite universe, showing the majesty of the universe. Countless twinkling stars, like a gem set in the flannel of the universe. Dazzling. If you have any knowledge of astronomy, we'll also realize another identity for the Book of Creation and stellar nurseries. Hundreds of stars is forming within these three nebula pillars. Massive hydrogen, gases, and dust accumulate under attractive forces. The temperature in Pantheon is creeping up until new stars are born, and the remaining substance could have condensed into planets orbiting their stars. The colorful colors of the Pillars of Creation, partly from the light of newborn stars inside the nebula. These stars are like the early solar system. It's taking shape, and that's how it got its name. In the Scarf telescope, from mid-infrared observations, the Pillars of Creation Nebula appears translucent. It moves and expands. Compared to 1995, Hubble Space Telescope image of Creator, the main color in the Scarf lens has turned bright orange. The background of deep space is dark. Green turns to dazzling blue. Hundreds of stars in a blue ocean of gas. Twinkle, columnar nebula edge, dotted with bright red newborn stars. They shine like rubies. Blue star, it represents, has stripped away layers of gas and dust. The wavy line-like material at the edge of the star pillar structure. Jets of newborn stars bombard nebula material. Produced high-energy hydrogen molecules. Glow a crimson glow. From a cosmological perspective, the farther the target is from us, the closer we are to the Big Bang, the most distant galaxy that can be observed so far. Light years 12.20 billion, about 1 billion years after the Big Bang. It is almost certain that he was the one after the birth of the universe, one of the first galaxies to emerge. So, cosmology is essentially the archaeology of the universe. Under the speed limit, we will never see the real-time state of the universe. Even the sun was 8.5 minutes ago, let alone other distant celestial bodies.